hello. Please let me know if you're tuning in, if you can hear me okay. But yeah, we'll get started pretty soon. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some music. It's like not too loud. Don't think I can hear it. Oh, I hear it now. Okay. Yeah, hello. Please, feel free to let me know, or if you can hear me okay and everything. We'll get started pretty soon. It is like so bright in my room right now. It's like not even sunny, it's just so white out because of the fog. But yes, hello. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get started pretty soon. I hope everyone has been having a great day / night, afternoon. This is my last stream of the week, and I will be heading over to just run some errands later, so it'll be fun. But so far, right now, it's just been working on some things. I also built a new keyboard, and I want to show you all a little bit about how it looks like. That is so here. Maybe you can tell like that, but it's my new one. I love it so much. But yes, so yeah, very excited. Hello. We'll get started soon. I'm gonna go ahead and start sharing my screen. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, so you can probably all now see my screen. I'm gonna put myself here just so you're able to see a little more. And then I'll pull up the Figma. Let's see. What? I don't know why I guess. Okay. Yeah, so local time now is 2 p.m. Just right barely in the afternoon. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's 1:33 a.m. in India. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, I honestly sleep pretty late as well, so I'm glad you're all able to catch the North America streams when they're live, if you stay up late. But yeah, no, that's awesome. Very cool. Okay, yeah, we'll go ahead and get started today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We're going to learn a little bit about how to design your first web app in Figma. So this is just, I guess, a little bit about me. There's going to be no slides or anything. Usually, some of my streams have slides that come along with it. Today really is just mostly about collaboratively, you all seeing, I guess, like the design process that I go through for designing like a web app. And this can also, I guess, what I'd like to say for this is that usually I think there's like two different types. I've worked on teams where you're designing to like give to a client, and that process is going to be a little bit different than just working on a project that is just like for a hackathon or something. So a little bit lower stakes there. It's just a hands-on session. I'd say that it's like you can definitely follow along with me, but I will also be talking about, I guess, like the process of how I got everything. So we'll do a little bit of research together, and we can end up actually working on Figma, and I can teach you a little bit more about if you have any questions on that. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So if you haven't used Figma before, you basically create an account, and then you should be able to go to like this homepage here, and you're just gonna click on New Design File. So that'll just open up an Untitled, and this is just saved to your drafts. You're able to share, like if you're doing this for a hackathon, you can share this with other people on your team, stuff like that. So what you'll see here is also there's different pages. So if you just click on the pages tab, you have page 1. I'm gonna rename this wireframes, and then the next one's actually gonna be the final. So final is gonna be like what we actually design for everything. Wireframes is just like a outline of what we're thinking. And wireframes in here, I'm also gonna put up any inspiration that we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this again. So you'll see here, I'm just going to think about, so what I want to do is a like a cooking type of like website. So website design. Yeah, so you'll see here, there's like different designs, templates. I am going to just look through some of them, see what I think might be an idea that I like. So this design here is something I typically go for. I think it's really artsy and fun. But I want to, I guess, also think about its the way that, you know, like who is this website for? Those are just also questions to ask yourself. Something like this I think is so cute as well, and I think we can definitely use something like this. Hello, thank you for coming in. This would be something nice to make. I think the text on the right, this like curve here on the side, that looks fun. This curve right here looks fun. Just like eating healthy and stuff. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna continue looking and seeing if maybe there's something else I like, and if not, oh, this is some inspiration for the actual like recipe page. Yes, my keyboard is complete. So this is a new one. It is, yeah, sorry, it's upside down. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's cute. I love like the case for it. It's really nice. But yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I think I like this one for. I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go back to Figma and Command B. So this is also in our wireframes. I'm just gonna make this a little smaller. Okay, so just some inspiration there. Let's go back. And I think I liked, let's see, that one's also cool too. I think I liked these more. So yeah, again, just inspiration, right? Just looking at like what's out there. It's definitely gonna help. Hello, thanks for coming in. Get it from GHW. Oh my gosh, I actually haven't used it before, but yeah, I've seen stuff. Can you share the link for the images? Yeah, of course. So copy image address. So this is this first one. I'm only getting 2. Oh, I think, yeah. And then let me show you all that second one. I was looking at this one right here. I'll also zoom in as well. There we go. And then I'm posting the second one in the chat if you all want to follow along looking at the inspiration. But yes, okay. I think those 2 are pretty good. Let's see, I'm gonna go back to the other one I had. Oh yes, I think it was these that I shared. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy image, put this right into Figma, so just Control V or Command V. And yeah, Okay, so I know I want this for like homepage. Creation. And then this is gonna be like actual like recipe. For the recipe information page. Okay. Yeah, so what I typically start doing now is I'd start like wireframing, like putting stuff together and seeing how they're gonna look for like a regular project that is for like a hackathon or something. But let's say now that because we have like this inspiration to build off of, I am going to show you a little bit more about, I'm going to try directly go into, I guess like designing this for like our finals. So I think for the homepage, let's see if we can do something like this. And then we'll go ahead and find the assets for everything in a little bit. But I'm going to go over to the finals page now. And I'm going to select over here, which is, let's see if we can, just over here with the frame. I'm going to select frame. I'm going to do the 14-inch. And this is an example of what that shows up. So I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to rename this because it is our homepage. So frames are what are going to contain all of our, just like our content for each page. So homepage, it'll also be like the actual recipes page. So let's see. So what I want to do is I want to create, I'm going to go ahead and write these down as well, just so everyone can understand. So features I want. And if you're working like with your group and such, this would be also great to, scope out together. But let's see. So some features I want is definitely a recipe page for each one. And then we also, I also want, let's see, like a search feature. And then, let's see, a search feature, we can have that right on the homepage, I'd say, just something pretty simple. So instead of like maybe this like text that you see, it'll be replaced with like a search bar. And again, like all these ideas that I'm having would probably just like be wireframed out so that I can share with the rest of my team. But right now I'm just telling you all about it, so I think it's okay. Search feature, it'll also have maybe some like pre-populated fields. And let's see, we want, so far these are my ideas. Once we start designing and you get more, we'll add them to the list. So there we go. And yeah, okay, let's go ahead over here. All of these seem to be like a white background, so I think I'll stick with the white background here. And also you'll notice that this is, I guess, we'll keep it to just this page. Or at least this size. Awesome. All right. Yeah. So let's see how we can start creating like these squiggles right here. So that's something you can actually do right in Figma. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pen tool. Let's see. I'm gonna do maybe to there. Yes, so you see here, so all I did in Figma was press and hold. And then press that over there. And then I'm just going to connect this right here. Okay. So yeah, now we have like this like curve over here that you see. So all I did was just, as I was going with my pen tool, all I did was just I just held it as I stretched across. Yep, so we'll do that again. Pen tool, you select a place over here on the outside, and then let's say I want my curve to start right here. I then press on the pen tool and then extend. And then the same thing right here. I want to start there and then extend this way. And that would be that. But you do need it to be like an actual shape, so I would go ahead and go around instead of just a line. But so here, and then I'm going to choose fill, and as you can see, we have our little squiggly. So let me go ahead and do maybe, I think I like that, this like purple teal. The colors might be a little different on your side, but yeah. See. I know it's also, because it is like a vector, I'm able to just change around everything, like the width and stuff like that. You can also go ahead and edit everything inside with like the points as well. So very cool stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and click done. And there we go. So let's go ahead and look at some of that inspiration that we had. Okay, awesome. So looks good there. Let's go ahead and see if we can start thinking about maybe some fonts that we want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the text up here. And let's say we want to do, I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger, but okay, so I want to do maybe something like freshly baked. So that's going to be like the name of the app. I'm going to move it over here. Yeah, that's probably where I want everything. I'm going to make it just a tad bit bigger. That didn't really do anything. Let's do 96. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we have like what the name of our website is, and we can go ahead and start going up and down with the fonts, seeing what we like. Let's see. Yeah. I personally just kind of stop at one that I really like. So something like that I think would be like cute, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the spikes. And here I'm going to see, you can also change the letter spacing just by going in and out. So I think I like something like that. I think it's really nice. And then let me go ahead and do bakes. Just like that. But this one's actually going to be a little bit bigger, and you'll see how I'm going to arrange this. So I wanted to do where like the B kind of pops out a little bit. So just something like that, and then I can have some sort of icon here. And yeah, so obviously I do want to change the color of these. I'm going to select them all and see. So something that goes with purple is like a little bit of like that blue. Let's see if we can, I think maybe like a dark purple is gonna look nice. Okay, awesome. And then I think just wanna make these maybe bigger for sure. So or something like that I think would look okay. Yes, so just kind of meshing them together, going up and down like that. We can also make this bigger. So maybe if I do 150. Okay, and then we can put an icon like right here or something. But yes, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna select both of them. So you see here that I have both selected, and I'm gonna do Control or Command G. So that is gonna make them into a group. So now we can move these together and they will be changed together. So I'm moving them there. I'm just adjusting it right there. Okay, and then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to Google and look for maybe some of those, like just the cooking assets. So cooking click bar PNG. Just like that. Yes, so we'll see here. Let's see. I think maybe we just want like food. Yeah, so that'd be cute. That would also look nice. I think I'm gonna grab this one, and yeah, feel free to also just look for the ones that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and click copy image, and then I'm gonna go back to Figma. And let's paste that in. So you'll see here, there's the background still, but I think I can get away with just putting it right here. So I'm gonna, as I make it smaller, I'm gonna press Shift down, and then also move that there. And I think I'm just going to make it so that it's maybe one of the items here. I think that goes really well with the curve. I'm gonna put that in a little bit. So something like that. Also make it maybe a little smaller. But yeah, for sure I want to add in maybe some other, I think logos here. So yeah, it all goes really down into adding in all the assets that you want. All right, and then now I'm gonna go back again. Yes, oh, it looks like there's some other similar ones to those. So I'm gonna go ahead and just copy most of them. I'm gonna put them into Figma here. Just have them outside as well so I can use them as I want. That's cute as well. think this one. And then I'm gonna use that other one too. Okay. Let's see. Let me go back. I'm gonna also see if we can get the transparent background on here. That would be super helpful. But looks like a lot of these don't have, they're not really PNGs. One other thing that I'm gonna do is, just to make it easier for us, I'm gonna go to Canva. So Canva is a place where you're able to create different things. I have used this always for assets as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to elements, and they have like a ton here. So I usually just grab a bunch from here. So perfect. I think I can use, let's see, let's go back to Figma here. And I think I can make something that goes right there so that it completes like the logo or whatever I'm trying to do. And then going back to here, let's see, maybe I can do something related to like baking. Just for sure, I think the baguettes would look cute. So I'm also gonna make it the same, or I guess we can make it a different variation of the color of that logo. Oh. Okay, this I'm gonna edit. So yeah, that's like the cool thing about this. It's like you're able to like edit it on your own and change them however you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that one. I'm gonna add another page. Let's see, I want similar to some of the other assets we had, but I'm gonna add in like just some other things that I think could make it look cute. Right, so usually maybe like that. Yeah, Canva has like a bunch of different things. I really like all of the stuff that they have, for sure. Okay. I don't know about that one. Yeah, that could look cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and download these. And I'm gonna click PNG and transparent background for all of them. So this will all download now into PNG. But yeah, no, I thought these were cute, and we might come back and add some more. All right, downloading, and while that's downloading, I am gonna take a quick break. I will be right back. It's gonna be like 2 seconds. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some more water, and then I will be right back. But yeah, feel free to also look for more assets, and then I will be right back to finish everything. Okay, hello, I'm back. All right, everything downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it. All right, here, let me go ahead and show you all how I do this in Arc. Okay, so now they have showed up. And now I have them, so I'm gonna drag them on here. They should be all transparent. Yep, okay. So they all loaded up here in a line. Oh. There we go. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna bring this one into here. Again, pressing, looking at this, feeling hungry. Yeah, that makes sense. Honestly, same. I might grab some lunch pretty soon. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. I think that looks cute. Looks very good. And then let's see. Now that we've brought in some other ones, maybe I think I want, instead of this one, I'm gonna bring in this one here. Again, pressing Shift down just so you don't lose the that other resolution. And one of the other things you can do is like, I like, you know, also putting it to the side, working with those curves to really add in, I guess, like dimension. And once again, I'm gonna actually group this as well. So all of that together. And maybe I can put some sort of description underneath here. But yeah, so now we can possibly see if we can work on the nav bar too. So in our examples, if we go back, so they're all usually either on the left or right. Looking at ours, I think, we might just be able to do something maybe centered here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go back to our wireframes. Okay. I am going to, yeah, so press up here, see if we can do just something in the middle. Since you said that, now I'm hungry too. Yeah, oh my gosh, definitely get some lunch. Oh. All right, let's do home. And I think now I'm gonna switch that font here. So let me make this a little bigger just so we all can see. Okay, I like this. This for just regular text, I think can match this like different font we have. All right, we have home. And then I'm going to press Command or Control D, and that duplicates it. Home, about. There's always usually an about page. Command, Control D. And usually what Figma does is like this auto snapping. It makes sure that everything is laid out the same width apart. So that's very cool. And then let's go ahead and do, let's go back, let's see what the wireframes have or inspiration. This is contact. Contact about, okay, so let me go back here, put panel, we can do a contact. Okay, so those for now, and then I'm going to center them. So Figma also has center auto snapping. So now that this like nav bar here is completely centered. So I'm going to also Command G this, make it into a group. And then, let's see, so now that we have that, we can now, let's see, I want to be able to maybe, we can switch the colors here of this. Okay. And then now I've selected that group. That fill is going to be the same one. So we can do, definitely not lighter. I think something like this would be okay. Has still enough contrast. Okay. And then we can also, let's see, so because I had in this one right here, this logo, I'm gonna Command C and I'm gonna make it even smaller so that it can maybe add as like some decoration on top. There we go. And then maybe I can put that to the other side. I can also mirror this. Pretty sure. So yeah, just by doing that. Perfect. Looks very cute. It even looks like little brackets. Okay, so those are aligned. I did that. Again, this is just something that I'm doing. Feel free to add in whatever type of stuff that you like here. Okay, and then let's see. Maybe I want to be able to also add in like just some other things. Definitely this here. Yeah, I think that'll look nice. Also, what do we think about maybe, sorry, now that I'm like, you know, everything's coming together, we can also even do like some type of green. Have to get the color right, but oh, like this like lime green. Sorry if it doesn't show up for everyone on the stream here. It is more of like a lime green. So also, if you press play, it'll show you what it looks like on that device. So yeah. Okay, so far I think I like everything. Maybe we're gonna make this a little smaller so that we can fit in that search bar. And maybe this smaller too. Definitely a little too big. I'm gonna also Command do this, and then Shift, press down. So you'll see that the pictures get smaller, but the text doesn't. So we have to go ahead and make those smaller. 32 looks good. Okay, and then now we also have to center this one more time. Maybe even a little above. There we go. And then this, oh, that ruined everything. Yes, so I've selected that text. Let's do 170. $130. Okay. Oh, so this is down. There we go. Okay, so still the same, but slightly smaller. So we can add in a search right here. It's 2 p.m. here, feeling hungry. Only option is drink water and sleep. Oh my gosh, definitely new option. Definitely go to sleep soon. Okay, we have that. Looks good. Let's go ahead and ooh, all right. Thoughts on a gradient? We can do a gradient as well in Figma. So let's go ahead and add in not that here. Sorry. I'm gonna click on our color here. Instead of solid, I'm gonna do a linear gradient. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna press on the second color here. We want full opacity, but maybe I don't want like a really large gradient, but something just to tell the difference. You can also add in another color. Ooh, I like that. That adds a little pop of saturation. Okay. All right, she's looking a little better. So let's go ahead and add in maybe some social media icons. We always are adding those. So what I use for icons is plugins. And I'm going to do Ava icons by icon duck. So you would just search that up here. You click run. And let's do, yeah, you can even do like the different like hearts and stuff, the pins. I'm going to do, I'm going to look for search. Oh, yeah, this is right here. So it already adds it in automatically. You don't have to Google it or anything. I also want, let's see. I think we just need a search, but also let me do like an Instagram one. Oh. Okay, there's no Instagram, but there is Twitter, and we'll do LinkedIn. Just as an example of showing you all icons, but let's go back and see some other icons. I don't foresee we'll use any of these yet, but yeah, oh, there's a GitHub one. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think we're all good. So I exit that out. It says, Ellie, how long have you been working on such designs? It could have taken a day for me to create such a beautiful design. Thank you. No, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, definitely just like playing around, experimenting. It takes a while because if you're like a perfectionist or, you know, something just doesn't quite look right, it can definitely be very time consuming. But yeah, or in terms of like just this design, it's just been maybe 40 minutes. Yeah, but usually like for something a lot more complex, it's gonna take a while longer. But thank you. Yeah, no, I hope also everyone is learning a lot from this as well. So yes, so now that we've added our like social media icons, I'm gonna put them at the bottom here. It looks like they're that same size. I want these to be white instead. I think it'll look better. So let's see how this white looks. Yeah, sure. And then now let's go ahead and create the search bar. So I'm going to show you exactly, these are more like putting the shapes together. So this is something we haven't done yet. So we're going to go into the shapes, just the rectangle, and we're going to go ahead and create a search bar. We can change the size of it later, but yeah, awesome. We have a search bar. I think I want it to be just a little, slightly wider. And then you'll see we also can change the curve edges of the rectangle. So it's the corner radius right there. I usually go with 10, but let's see how that looks. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. And then you'll see here that I made it pretty light because I want to add in a stroke field, and this one now looks like that, but let me make it, it's like a darker green. Okay, and then now we can go ahead and add in our search. So again, pressing shift down, we change the size of that. And let me go ahead and make that same green. All right, so now we have our search bar. Let me go ahead and press Command Control G. let's see. Now we can decide where we want to put this. I definitely was thinking maybe it's like right under freshly bakes. So maybe we can do that there. Or we can also, let's see, so you're also able to make this smaller, right? Maybe like that. Let me switch that image. It got a little distorted as well. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna check it out. So it's not a part of the group. Okay. And then make this slightly smaller. Oh no. There we go. Okay, cool. And in here, oh, thank you. I'm glad you all think it looks good. Let's do a, oh gosh. Search over 1,000 plus 6, for example. And then let me make that. Oh, we can't see it because you'll see here, we have to actually put it a part of the group. So now that it's there, I think I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna make it dark green. And then do that and make it, let's see, 24. That's nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna change it to the font that we have up here. And let's see, that is Habali. Bye, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay. Okay. Let's see, and I actually don't really like it for this. Oh, I think I like that one, but let me switch the line spacing. And yeah, we're gonna make this a little bit like more muted because we want it to just be a placeholder. Placeholders are usually slightly more muted in color. And make that right in the middle. Yeah, grayish. I think we want that slightly larger. Yeah, I'm still deciding where. I want it to like not look out of place. And I want it to be on top there. Okay. Awesome, yeah. So we have that part. And okay, maybe I can add in some like info text. Maybe put the search icon in a container and make it look like an extension of the search bar. Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right. Okay, that makes sense. We can do that. Oh. Take it out. I think now doing this here, I'm gonna change the border radius of all of them, or of just some corners. So I think make that 0 and then make this 0. And then for the stroke, you can also keep it so that I only don't want the stroke on the right side. And then now that looks like half. So now we can connect the other part. Yeah. Okay. So I want this to be have its like own. And maybe the inside can be like green. Border radius on the bottom. And border radius on the top. Right, something like that. If we're sort of thinking about there. Maybe we can make this back color. Oh, maybe make it a little smaller. Looks a little too big. All right, there we go. Let's do like a little like I want to do maybe like a small blurb about freshly baked. So we can do text. Okay. Let's do. Oh, I keep spelling it wrong. Okay. I want to do. Like that. Okay. Let me group this all together. So this doesn't move. Okay, wonderful. Let me make this a dark green. Oh, okay. All right, it looks slightly better. And this can also. Nope. All right, that'll stay that different color. I think that's fine anyway. There we go. All right, so it's a little bit more concise, but also a little empty there. Maybe, yeah, we'll add in, let me add in a little bit more of, okay, so I'm gonna duplicate this because I want to crop, and there's a crop feature up here. I just want to crop this here. And add in maybe like just something about culture. Oh, this got distorted. Let's see. Okay, press shift down. And bring it says bring to front. Make it a little smaller. And then let's see what other ones okay, I just have like this platter here. And crop the image. Let's see where this can fit in. If it can. If we can't find a good place for it, I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, that looks like okay. Maybe we can add in like just something a little more over here too. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Canva and find just a couple of things. Maybe that could work somewhere. Decrease the border radius of the assets or when coding to make them not, or increase the border radius of the assets for when coding them. Make it non-selectable. I see. Okay. Yeah. I want another round spread of something. Let's do like that. Okay, so we have now these new 3 ones. I think I can just do like have them be in the same one. Okay. Let me go ahead and save page 5. Oh. Just page 5 right here to a PNG with a transparent background. Okay, perfect. Open up the Figma. All right, yeah. Finder. They're right here. Yep, just drag and drop type of thing. And let me do crop of this round one right here. Okay. Now I can do like something in this corner. You see, like just trying to find like those white spaces and trying to fill those accordingly. There we go. I'm gonna rotate it so that it's just like that. Maybe increase the font of that. And then we can even now move it more at the center so that it's not just like weirdly over there. Okay, customize the header container. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's do, okay, I think maybe I don't want these anymore. They're looking a little, let's see this font again. How do you know? What? Kira. Okay. Right. Yeah, I like this font better. I think, like, I don't know if you can tell, but like, they look slightly similar when they're like smaller. So, I guess I just wanted to have it be the same. Okay. All right, and then let's make this like that. Ooh, let's do a thick weight. Yes, so instead of weight 3, weight 6. I still think this is too close together. Okay. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm trying to think of maybe something else that we can add. That is like informational. But in terms of like, I think I wanted to add in like those selection features. But yeah, I think this looks okay. Maybe let's add in some variation with the color. I think maybe green. Let's see what other, we have like this teal. So what you can do actually in Figma is the color selector. You can have like the perfect. I think we have a lot of reds. I think the red looks good. It's a nice different pop of color. And then yeah, okay, cool. I'm just trying to analyzing it from the back and seeing what else can maybe different about it. But yeah, if there are any suggestions, let's see now, like in prototype form. Oh, I think our icons aren't there. Okay, well, let me bring stuff to the front. So we where is this? It's at home. We also need, oh, these don't have to be in there. That doesn't be in there. What is this? Oh, this is just like Twitter. Bringing that to the front. Okay. And then these are just not part of it. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's go here. And that's what that looks like. Awesome. So I think right here also we can have like a small like footer as well. But yeah, this is basically the site and designing a web app. Yeah, looks good. And then you can even extend it to have more information at the bottom by just, again, as we saw here with this, is just moving it more down and adding more of that gradient. But I think, yeah, everything looks good. Yeah, I want to thank you all so much for joining the stream. Again, I think I'd love to, if you did come up with something, feel free to tag me on Discord, send it. I'd love to see what you all made. If you did end up making something and you want to share it, please feel free. But yeah, thank you so much for helping me design Special Weeks. And we can definitely I'll definitely come back with more like Figma related live streams in the future. But yes, if there are any more questions, yes. Hello. Can you tell us more about the coloration theory? What are the artistic, aesthetic rules to adapt for better luck? So yeah, that's a great question. I don't think I've actually heard about it. I think if you this might be different from what you're talking about, like in terms of like color theory, which is just the fact that colors are gonna look different when they're next to other colors. So that's something like, of course, to keep in mind. But I don't think I have specific like rules for like. Um, excuse me, sorry. So something like I guess different, but definitely I think it's something that you can research about. I don't think I've heard of that before though, but that's definitely something to keep in mind. But yeah, thank you all so much. I hope it was a very fun, chill live stream for you all. And yeah, it's my last one of Global Hack Week, but I hope you all have an amazing time with all the other upcoming live streams. But yeah, I really appreciate you all for stopping by. So thank you so much. Have a